Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to draw festive cakes using clipstudiopaint. In this tutorial, I'm going to share tips on how to draw cute cakes. Let's begin. Find a reference. Look for the ideal reference photos. It may be easier to visualize a drawing if you have a reference that you can use to make a sketch and color palette. To find your preferred references for cakes, enumerate and specify the cakes you like and that inspire you to draw. Otherwise, you may search for cute festive cakes or search using your preferred description. Let's begin creating the cake outline. To organize the layers, click the New Layer folder and name it. Then, add a new raster layer or vector layer below the folder and label it. Click Figure U. Under Subtool Figure, click Curve. You may choose other subtools that you prefer using. Start drawing the outlines of a cake and close the lines for convenient coloring using the Fill tool later. If you like to change the color of your outlines, click the Lock Transparent Pixels to color your lines. You may also use this feature to change the color fill. Make sure that your layer is a raster layer. If not, rasterize the layer to enable the Lock Transparent Pixels. Click Layer, then rasterize. Let's proceed to Cake Color Fill. Click the cake outline layer, then click the Set as Reference layer icon for color fill later. Click a new raster layer for the cake's color fill, label it, and place it under the cake outline. Click the Fill tool, choose the color you prefer. The Fill tool has several features. You may customize the settings of the Fill tool. Under Subtool Fill, click the Refer Other Layers. Under the Tool property, you may adjust the amount or check the boxes of your preferred property. I will no longer discuss the details. I hope you already have ideas on how to use each. Other clipstudiopaint tips and tutorials included a comprehensive discussion on tool property. I recommend that you read them. You may also use the Advanced Fill to color. Click Edit, then choose Advanced Fill. You may refer to the dialog box below for the Advanced Fill settings. On the target color, choose all enclosed areas including transparency. Check the boxes of anti-aliasing, fill closed areas, refer multiple, and fill up to vector path if necessary. You may adjust the amount of tolerance, area scaling, and close gap. Beside the refer multiple, click the tower-like icon. The tower-like icon signifies the reference layer. Exclude the necessary. Uncheck the checkbox of the Refer to Image border. Click OK if you're done. Here are the images to compare the output using Advanced Fill and the Fill tool property without the cake outline. Here is the image of the cake with color fill and outline. Let's proceed to the cake details. Add a new raster layer, clip it above the color fill by clicking the Clip to layer below. Draw your desired cake decoration like cake icing on the new raster layer. Follow the subsequent steps if you like to create shadows underneath the icing. Click the layer, then duplicate. Place the copy below the original icing layer. click the transparent pixels, color it with dark color. Then click multiply. Position the duplicated icing layer according to your desired angle of the shadow. Add more layers and clip them on top if you like to add more details below the cake. Arrange the layers based on your preference or reference. Here is the sample image of a cake with icing and shadows underneath without the cake outline. Follow the subsequent steps if you like to create the frosting for the cake's decoration. Add a new layer, folder, on top of all layers and name it. Add a new raster layer inside the folder and label it. Click Figure U. Under Subtool Figure, click Curve. Draw a curve followed by another of different sizes on top of the other. Form it like a stack of pancakes. Here is the image of the sample drawing. Here is the image of the sample drawing of a frosting with a tip on the top. To add details to the frosting, add a new raster layer, clip it to the layer below, set it to multiply. Draw the curves of different sizes and form them like a swirl. See the sample image below. You may add more layers to add more details if you prefer. Here is the image of the sample details of the frosting. Add fruits like blueberries. Here is the image of the final drawing. Take note and choose the drawing methods that suit you. You may follow the steps on how to draw a cute cake or adapt some of the tips from this tutorial. Remember to enjoy your drawing process. I hope that you learned from my tips and you enjoy drawing cakes. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.